These are the steps for making a Photoshop mockup. So what I did is I opened up this mockup file in Photoshop and then opened the layers. I want to go to the layer titled Add Design. I'm going to double click the icon on the Add Design layer. So this is placeholder text. So I'm going to take my marquee tool and go ahead and marquee over this and then hit the delete key, and then I need to get rid of the marching ant, so I'm going to do a deselect. So on a Mac it's Command D as in dog. Now what I'm going to do is go to my Illustrator file and I've select the artwork that I want to put into the Photoshop mockup. So I've selected the 2022 Student Design Show. Now I'm going to copy it and then go back to my Photoshop document. I'm going to paste the file that I just put in that I just copied. And in this dialog box, you want to paste pixels and then click OK. Now I'm going to size the text. I'm just going to let it pretty much fill this area. I have to get rid of this transform box, so I'm going to double click inside of it. Now what I'm going to do is close this file. So you can see right here that the name of it is Add Logo. I'm going to close that. It's going to prompt me to save the file. I'm going to click Save. And that's how you place, or that's how you work within a Photoshop mockup. Okay, so step one again is you open up the Add Design layer. You delete the placeholder text that's in there. You go into your Illustrator file, if that's what you're using, and select the type, in this case, the Student Design Show. So that's the artwork that I'm going to bring into the Photoshop mockup. So I selected it, then I'm going to do a copy command, go back into Photoshop and do a paste, and then save the file, and then you'll see the finished product. If you have any trouble, you can email me or text me.